The original divine software located in your soul has been waiting for you and I to imbue more and more of its true essence into your everyday personality. And Ho'oponopono provides that upgrade and calibration with a Hawaiian process known as the 12 steps. Now, the same teacher that gifted Hugh Len this assignment at the famous hospital in my hometown is the same teaching that you are about to receive. Why is now the right time for you to accept this gift, just as he did? Well, some forces from above must have thought that you and I had something particularly special, something that only our soul, spirit, and personality could comprehend in this perfect right time we live in today. You see, it seems chaotic, overrun by noise, increased distraction, disharmony. Many have lost touch with their original software, the soul's divine coding. And this coding once ran our inner system with clarity, peace, purpose. Just as a computer becomes bogged down with viruses, outdated files, and incompatible applications, so too does the human personality. It's generations of accumulated emotional baggage, distorted beliefs, and subconscious patterns that blur the purity of our spirit. In this perfect right time, we are here to be the change makers, the ones who shift anew as the climate shifts too, and economies tremble, old systems crack and falter. But beneath the surface, something deeper is happening right now on the planet. A greater harmony is rising, not in spite of the chaos, but through it. Every breakdown is a message. What no longer serves humanity must be released. And Ho'oponopono at its core is about kala, releasing, letting go from both ends. Because what separates us must be seen and healed. The gift of Ho'oponopono in its purest form, that the ancestors knew as a process involving prayer, repentance, forgiveness, and transmutation, is what we need in this perfect right time. A karmic cleaning tool, if done in its truest form, can allow you and this planet to perhaps silence this chaos. It can enable you to labor an aspect of your beingness, parts of you didn't know existed. Right now, you perhaps found this teaching because you were guided from a subconscious level so that you could bring forward a new part and aspect of your being. Something new within you wants to be born. Through Ho'oponopono, you will be able to release things, experiencing a karmic cleansing. Of Ho'oponopono, I am able to share this, somewhat of the past, the present, and the future. You see, synchronicities become a common side effect when you truly clean. And this is something that's not spoken of, and maybe this is why it is being brought forward now, because the soul of humanity is awakening too. We are learning that we are not separate, we are all connected. Healing the earth is healing ourselves. Most of our problems that we have are a microscopic understanding of a karmic rebalancing, positive, negative, and neutral forces. And when you learn your patterns through Ho'oponopono, you begin to experience life from the soul level, not the low self and its entangled perceptions. You become clearer, freer, but first to imbue more of the soul into the everyday self. It is essential that we repair, optimize, and realign through this 12-step process. It's not a ceremony of inner work. It is a complete spiritual system upgrade, a manual of returning to purity, authenticity, and harmony. So if you imagine your life as a computer, the divine creator as your original developer and the blueprint that is within you, your spirit coded with divine intelligence, which is created to operate with grace. But over time, these misalignments creep in. We have emotional viruses, corrupt files, rogue programming, guilt, separation, shame. These lower emotions, they prevent us from connecting to our inner team and our highest force potentially available to us through the divine creator. Your Amakua, who is one with God, can consider this your assigned angelic force, your angelic helper, a spirit guide, has been patiently waiting for you to give permission to assist. These 12 steps offer you more than just healing. They offer integration, a complete system reboot where you breathe. There's a breathing practice involved that can help you truly connect to higher worlds. They shift your thoughts, emotions, and your intentions come into sacred alignment. You are not just clearing out old data. You are downloading a divine upgrade. The soul is not a distant etheric concept. It is your core intelligence, your true compass, your original operating system. So now is the time. Let us dive in. And thank you for joining me.